Flying elephant. Once upon a time, there lived an elephant in the forest. The forest was lush and shady, and there were all kinds of other animals. The elephant was a young male elephant. El was his name. El was a cheerful and friendly elephant. He had many friends and he had a best friend. He was Chick, a little chicken. El and Chick loved to explore the forest. On sunny morning, El and Chick went walking down the forest. On the way, suddenly an eagle came from the sky and landed right in front of them. The eagle blocked the way of Elephant and Chick. With a cheerful face, the elephant greeted the eagle.
Hello, Eagle. Do you want to join the road with us?
With a hug, the eagle replied,
Ha ha ha! Who wants to go walk with you? Look at your body. You have bigger body than others. It's not useful.
If you don't want to walk with us, we excuse and go side out, because you throw our way.
Elephant said.
Because of that, can you have a big body? Actually, not mean that blocked your way, but your body is too big. If you can, fly to me please.
With the arrogant eagle replied,
And eagle should be stay away from elephant, cause I think if the elephant step on you, it is afraid to step on you.
Chick sighed.
Stroke me if you can.
Eagle said while flying. Elephant and Chick can only see eagle without doing anything.
Catch me if you can.
Eagle said as it flew to the sky. El and Chick went home with deep sad feelings. After a trip at home, Chick think about how the elephant feel. So Chick decided to make elephant fly so elephant not sad anymore.
The next day, Chick went to meet El. It turns out El is still sad. Then Chick cheered him up by saying,
El, I have an idea so you can fly.
Immediately, El's face turned into cheerful.
How can I fly?
Come follow me.
Sighed Chick.
Chick invited El to the edge of high cliff.
El, flap your ears and jump. Your ears look like wings.
Sighed Chick.
Oh yeah, you're right. I wanna try it.
The elephant jumped from the top of the cliff and he fell down without flying. Fortunately, the elephant is okay.
It is the first experiment that failed. With a dove elephant tried the next way. By using wood leaves and stick to his body, the elephant did not answer time to jump off the cliff and he fell again. The elephant almost surrendered. But the chick continued to give spirit him and find another way. Chick suggested El to tie the balloon on his body. The elephant tied the balloon in his body, more and more balloon. Elephant began to lift and fly, but not long he fell. He fell because his body is too heavy. Finally, El and Chick all give up. The elephant went home with sad feeling. In the next day, El went to riverside. Then he thought that he only a fat animal and cannot do anything. But when he wanted to drink from the river, he saw his reflection in the water, and he looked at his face. Then he saw his long tongue and big ear. Even he looked more, he realized that he has big body, but other animals aren't have it. Finally, he realized that he only had to live like an elephant and appreciate what he has.
Moral value. Do not mock others because everyone has their own advantage. If we try something and it fails, then do not give up easily. If we do it seriously, then we will get what we want. Be yourself, do not imitate others, because what others have is not necessarily better than what we have. All we need to do is just explore what potential is in us.